Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world. AI is about creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks usually done by humans. These tasks involve learning, understanding, and problem-solving. Think about using a search engine. That's AI working behind the scenes to deliver relevant results. Online shopping recommendations, AI again analyzing your preferences. Even voice assistants on our phones rely on AI to understand and respond to our commands. AI is automating tasks, providing personalized experiences, and even powering groundbreaking innovations in healthcare and transportation. From filtering spam emails to providing instant language translation, AI is becoming an indispensable part of our daily routines. These AI systems categories in three distinct levels of capability. First, narrow AI, second, broad AI, and third, general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is the most common type of AI we see today. It is designed to perform a narrow task such as facial recognition or internet searches, and it does so with impressive efficiency. It excels at performing specific tasks within a defined range, often surpassing human capabilities in those areas. This type of AI operates under a limited set of constraints and excels in its designated area of expertise. It is not designed to perform tasks outside its specific domain. Take, for example, image recognition software used for medical diagnoses. This specialized AI can analyze medical images with a high degree of precision. This AI is trained on a vast data set of medical images, learning to identify specific patterns and anomalies with remarkable accuracy. It assists doctors in making more accurate diagnoses. However, this same AI can't compose music or write code. Its capabilities are strictly limited to its training data and specific application. Other examples of narrow AI include spam filters, fraud detection systems, and recommendation algorithms. Each of these systems is designed to excel in a particular task. These AI systems demonstrate remarkable efficiency and accuracy within their specific domains, but they lack the general problem-solving abilities of human intelligence. They are powerful tools, yet their scope remains limited. Broad AI signifies a step closer to human-like cognitive abilities, bridging the gap between simple task execution and complex problem-solving. It encompasses a wider range of capabilities, allowing AI systems to perform multiple tasks and adapt to different situations seamlessly, making them invaluable across various sectors. This type of AI is characterized by its versatility and ability to handle more complex tasks, from data analysis to decision-making processes. Imagine a smart city powered by broad AI, where every device and system is interconnected and optimized for efficiency. Traffic flow is optimized in real time, energy consumption is minimized, and public safety is enhanced through predictive analysis, creating a safer and more efficient urban environment. These systems can analyze data from various sources, identify patterns, and make informed decisions to improve efficiency and safety, revolutionizing how we manage resources. Broad AI finds applications in autonomous vehicles, where it processes sensory input from cameras, LiDAR, and radar to navigate complex environments, ensuring safer and more reliable transportation. It enables robots in manufacturing and logistics to collaborate with human workers, adapting to dynamic environments and handling unforeseen circumstances, thus enhancing productivity and safety in the workplace. General AI. The quest for human-level thinking. General AI, also known as strong AI or artificial general intelligence, remains largely theoretical. This level of AI aims to replicate the full range of human cognitive abilities, including learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and even emotional intelligence. A general AI would be capable of understanding and responding to the world in a way that is indistinguishable from a human being. It could engage in abstract thinking, form hypotheses, and make complex decisions based on incomplete information. The potential applications of general AI are vast and transformative. It could accelerate scientific discoveries, revolutionize healthcare with personalized treatments, and even address global challenges such as climate change and poverty. Comparing AI types, a spectrum of intelligence, narrow AI, broad AI, and general AI represent a spectrum of artificial intelligence. Narrow AI is task-specific, excelling in predefined areas like playing chess or translating languages. Broad AI expands on this, handling a wider range of tasks and adapting to new situations. Think of a home robot that can clean, cook, and even provide companionship to a person. General AI, the ultimate goal, aims to replicate the full spectrum of human intelligence, with the ability to learn, reason, and solve complex problems across different domains and environments. Imagine an AI that can diagnose diseases, predict market trends, and even create art, all with human-like proficiency. This level of intelligence would revolutionize every aspect of our lives, from healthcare to entertainment. As we move towards this future, understanding the spectrum of AI helps us appreciate the advancements and challenges ahead. A hopeful future with AI. The future of AI is not just about technological advancement, it's about harnessing this powerful tool to create a better future for all. Imagine a world where AI helps us solve complex problems from climate change to healthcare, making our lives more efficient and connected. By embracing AI's potential while mitigating its risks, we can unlock unprecedented opportunities for progress. This means developing AI systems that are transparent, fair, and accountable, ensuring they serve the greater good. Education and collaboration will be key to ensuring that AI benefits all of humanity. By integrating AI into our educational systems, we can prepare future generations to thrive in an AI-driven world. By fostering a deeper understanding of AI and its implications, we can empower individuals to adapt to the changing job market and actively participate in shaping an AI-powered future. This includes reskilling and upskilling workers to meet new demands. Let's work together to ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all humankind. This requires global cooperation and a commitment to ethical standards. By doing so, we can create a future where AI empowers us to solve our greatest challenges and create a more equitable and sustainable world. Together, we can harness the power of AI to build a brighter, more inclusive future for everyone.